This chainsaw is an excellent tool for garden maintenance, cutting small trees and trimming fruit trees. The combination of power and simplicity is the main reason. It's so popular in our rental service. At the front of the saw, above the chain, you'll find the cap for the chain oil tank. Always check the side gauge to make sure it's about half full while you work, and top it up if needed. My personal tip, once you're done, pour the oil back into its original container, so it doesn't leak through the chain and into your car. Before starting, make sure the saw is switched off. It can sometimes get turned on accidentally during transport. Changing the chain is very simple. Remove the cover, check the chain orientation, place it on the guide bar and sprocket, then lightly tighten it using the tension wheel. Once the cover is back on, you'll see two adjustment knobs, one red and one black. The red knob is for tightening the chain, while the black one locks the cover, the chain, and the red knob in place so it doesn't loosen. A quick warning, the chain doesn't just run along the guide bar. It also passes over the sprocket, a small metal gear that transfers power from the motor to the chain. It's not held in place with a clip, which makes it easy to remove but also easy to lose. If it falls in the woods, and trust me, without a metal detector, it's nearly impossible to find. Apart from the examples you see in this video, I've used this saw for some heavier tasks as well. Of course, a petrol chainsaw will cut through thick logs much faster, but for lighter work and ease of handling, a cordless saw is always my first choice. My best buy recommendation is to use 4 batteries, 2 on the saw and 2 charging in rotation. As for the kinds of logs I've cut with it, well, let's just say I hope no one from Einhell ever sees it, or they might cancel our partnership. In the future, I'm planning to make a comparison with a similar-sized Husqvarna model, the 440.